Many people were uneasy with such ideas and turned to the teaching of Buddha or Jainas, according to which it was possible to overcome social differences and break the cycle of rebirth through personal effort. So, when it developed the idea of the birth and rebirth, that cycle, and people got tired of that one, because even though if you are doing what all things as a good thing in our life, we want to get a next birth and we want to go to many birth, then only we can reach to God. That idea is a really a horrible idea. Even though if you are doing 100% sincerely, when we are becoming conscious that time onwards, then also we want to get another birth and we want to live there also in a good way. Like that, how many birth and how many years we want to do the same thing, everything consciously, everything positively only to reach to God. That idea is giving uneasy to people, or they are becoming tired, or they are becoming bored because of that idea. So what is happening? People moving to idea of Sri Buddha and Jainas. What they are teaching, the people moving to that ideas. We have studied in 6th standard what is the teaching of Sri Buddha and Jainas. What is that? There is, we studied already. Okay. Then, and what they are saying, like that, how we can overcome all this problem? We are going to overcome all this problem by our personal effort. We want to overcome, or we want to break the cycle of rebirth or the social differences, because the Hindu society or the way of life what was following here in India, or what we are saying Hinduism present, we can see there is a social status, means the upper class, lower caste, like that, up and down social system was there. People want to overcome that social system also. For that purpose they are moving to Buddhism or Jainism, because they are saying like that all are equal before God. There is no differences in that in the society. Through birth we won't get any privilege, or we won't get any disadvantage, like that both of them are saying, or both the religious groups they are saying. And at the same time, if we are doing the personal effort, we can overcome the cycle of rebirth, like that they are teaching. Other felt attracted to the idea of supreme God who could deliver humans from such a bondage if approached with devotion or bhakti. So some of the people they are moving to Buddhism and Jainism. At the same time, some of the people they are moving to another new idea, that is the supreme God, idea of supreme God. We will explain what it is, and how we can reach to supreme God through our devotion, our love to God, or bhakti to God. So if we are approaching with our love to God, so Mirabai was singing songs for long hours, because that is her method of showing her love to God. Like that, she is trying to overcome the cycle of rebirth. And this idea, advocated in the Bhagavad Gita, grew in popularity in the early centuries of Common Era. In the starting, it's means the 5th, 4th, like that centuries itself, this idea it is started to develop, or many people they got attraction to this particular idea. Okay, then we are moving to next page. Shiva, Vishnu, Durga as supreme deities came to be worshipped through elaborate rituals. Which are the three major gods, or the three gods, Shiva, Vishnu and Durga. And at the same time, gods and goddesses worshipped in different areas came to be identified with Shiva, Vishnu or Durga. We can see, even though we are calling in a different name, and all the gods and goddesses they are starting, or they are the form of all these three gods. In the process of local myths and legends became a part of the Puranic stories, and the methods of worship recommended in the Puranas were introduced into the local cult. Eventually, Puranas also laid down that it was possible for devotees to receive grace of God regardless of their caste status. And the Puranas, we can see it is area wise. We can see there are many changes about the stories related to God. So it is developing like a Purana stories. We can, in that we have Purana. It is giving a like that introduction to the worship of means the rituals what they are doing. For example, in the Puranas, they are giving introduction to the local cult. Means how we are loving to God or praying to God. That is entirely different to the people, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh or in Arunachal Pradesh or in Orissa. Because according to that particular area, they have started to love God or to show their devotion to God, or they started to pray. So we can see the different cult or different cultures in the praying. For example, here in Tamil Nadu we are celebrating Pongal, and that is Pongal. It is not only related to our harvest, and it is what we can say our devotion to God. We are showing our devotion because we got a good harvest. Or in they are the same time Gujarat people, they are playing dandiya with the stick. They are playing, and to please God, and like that according to the area wise it may be different. Eventually the Puranas also laid down it was possible for devotees to receive the gods of grace of gods regardless of their caste status. Even though we are from any caste, it may be from the lower caste or higher caste or any subcaste, that we can receive God's grace or blessing through our devotion. Like that Puranas also saying. The idea of bhakti became so popular that even Buddhists and Jainis adopted these beliefs. So the bhakti movement is getting wider acceptance than the what we studied in 6th standard, that Jati system and other things. And not only Hindu society, the other societies also, Buddhism and Jainism people also started to adopt the same beliefs. Then okay, we will continue in next video.